watching him chase my bait all the time. Oh, there you go.
Damn! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, I'll let it. I'll let it hit the bottom, and then.
Oh my goodness!
Dang, I need to cast a bit on the drop.
Alrighty, so today we're out in Oceanside. The goal today is to fish buck pipe, which is about 2 miles from the harbor. It's going to take us about 15 minutes to get there. I'm out here on the water with Blake from Lake Tahoe. Say what's up, Blake.
How's it going?
And we'll keep you posted with how today goes.
I just don't know. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me,
Oh, there you go.
Damn! Oh my gosh! I can't turn its head!
Ah, I got a big boy, huh? Oh, you
Snagged him in the dorsal fin. I'm sorry, buddy. Well, there's fish here. Weedless type kickheads.
really? As he's all hooked up.
This thing's tiny.
What you got on there? Just a
A little green one. I have plenty others. They're in the box below you, and I have a jig head for you. Little Sandy. Those jigs, you cast retrieve? Are you popping it on the bottom?
Yeah, I'll let it.
Oh.
I'll let it hit the bottom, and then.
Oh my goodness!
Dang, I need to cast more that way.
That got picked up. Oh my goodness. For you, a fat calico. What happened? Oh, I'm the retrieval up.
Yeah, I might.
What would you like that? It's another calico.
Is like 4 already?
I think so. 3 or 4.
Huh. But if they catch 2, then it's time to take baits. So whatever they got. I brought this tuna fishing, and I didn't like. I was like, man, I'm just gonna go straight to them. Probably not the best.
It's another calico.
Right? I might. Felt like a bite for a second. Oh, pretty good.
Oh, yes, man. Hate the game, hate the player. Alright, I just landed this nice stinking calico bass. Its teeth are razor sharp. We're pretty much using Walmart gear besides the plastic. Jig head from Walmart, rod and reel from Walmart, 10 buckaroos.
I told you there's a fish on there. I feel him. Hey, buddy.
It's your first calico. Just grab the line, plop it in, put it on the black part, you'll be fine. Fighting. What the? Oh my goodness. It's loaded down there. Nice, another calico.
Well, you're welcome, bro. I just saved the whole shit for all of
So
it.
they
We'll double up?
Yeah.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color.
You gotta catch them already.
Dude, I don't know.
I have another spinner.
Yeah, you got that.
Oh, that was instant bite. No, it just popped off. What is that? Calico?
Playing them.
Oh, I got bit on the drop. What is this? Ah, you stupid little
Sand bass though, right?
yeah. Oh no! That was such a hard hit.